I'm headed out. See y'all. Hold on. I had my polarizer on and it was still very dark, and I'm doing something that I probably shouldn't do, and I'm hoping that nothing. I took the polarizer off and I'm just riding with absolutely no lens cover, which is probably dumb. So we're gonna see how, I don't know, the video looks. We're gonna see how the video looks. Yeah, so we're gonna see how the video looks without the lens cover, and then I'm gonna have to try to find just like a regular cover. I'm gonna have to just go back to the stock one, and I'm gonna have to use a regular one at night. Because I want to do a little more riding at night. Another big ass mattress looking thing. This is my town, H-Town for the record. We be riding with them slabs on fire.